You're sitting on stage as part of a panel discussion. Now the questions aren't going to you, and you haven't said a thing. Are you still speaking? Absolutely. Your body's talking, your posture, your gestures, your eye movements, they're all continuing to reveal your inner thoughts and emotions. In fact, the further the attendees are from you, the more they rely on your body language to interpret your message. So, when it comes to body talk, I've got a little confession. As I've grown older, I find myself falling in some bad habits, stooping over a bit more, becoming a bit more round-shouldered, and all this computer stuff, boy, it's not helping a bit. So I intentionally realign my body to project energy and vitality. I push my scapulae forward. I elongate, I lift, I put the curve back in my lower back, and then I relax. So whether you're on the podium or a panel, you want to keep scanning your body so that you put yourself in a position of power and you radiate energy. In our PresentWell training programs, we cover this, along with voice, gestures, and stage movements. Learn more at PresentWell.net.